Okay, so while NJ is flying, Harshal is going to go from his heli, and Som is going to shoot. Som is going to fly and shoot his FPV drone. अरे इतना हाथ बेड़ा हुआ है ना मेरा Okay, Puneet is in the air. The heli is in the air, guys. Okay, some bit of fast laps, fast circuits. Okay, now we're going to see what the heli can do. Apart from that, I think Som is ready to go. Okay, so that's the prop wash that we are talking about. So we see a good amount of prop wash coming from the RC Heavy. And it's a good sound to hear. So guys, you can also if you want to take up this hobby, if you want to learn stuff, there are a lot of places. Some of them are obviously we have the Aeromodelling Club here at IIT Bombay, where you can participate in events and learn how these things are being made and make one yourself. We also, from the community, we also have Hoopmasters India, who have been helping out people trying to get started with the hobby related to cine whoops, even drones, anything you say. As well as we have the equipment providers and other service providers like Anubis RC, and there are tons of other websites where you can get your equipments and build your first maybe drone or a plane or anything. So you can text us or hit us up if you want to know more about it. So Harshal is coming up for a landing, and that's his final flight. Guys, have a huge round of applause, please.